When I first came across Campfire Cooking and read the description, I'll be honest, I thought it sounded ridiculous. Tell me you didn't think the same. You know what? Let's read it together. When a magical realm looks to summon heroes, they're sorely disappointed to end up with a mediocre salaryman. Makoto Tsuyoshi may not be a hero, but this conjuring error has given him a delicious power. Online grocery. I literally stopped there. I love Isekai, but that sounds dumb, and I wasn't going to watch that. Definitely wasn't going to watch that. Which quickly turned into, yeah, let me go ahead and watch that. An episode or two in, and I was firmly on board. But why is that?